Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about Amazon Business. Before starting, if you are not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Understanding Amazon. Business Introduction. Amazon Business is a platform designed for businesses to purchase goods and services. It offers various features tailored to the needs of organizations, making procurement efficient and cost-effective. Body overview. Amazon Business functions similarly to the consumer-facing Amazon platform, but is geared towards meeting the specific needs of businesses, including bulk purchasing, multi-user accounts, and business-only pricing. Registration. Businesses can sign up for Amazon Business using their existing Amazon account or by creating a new one specifically for business purposes. They provide business details such as company name, address, and tax identification. Verification. Amazon verifies the business status of registered companies to ensure they are legitimate entities eligible to make business purchases. Features. Amazon Business offers a range of features including bulk purchasing, business-only selection, multi-user accounts, tax exemption, business analytics. Bulk purchasing. Businesses can buy items in large quantities, often at discounted prices. Business-only selection. Access to millions of products with business-exclusive pricing and quantity discounts. Multi-user accounts. Businesses can create multiple user accounts with different permission levels, allowing for centralized purchasing control. Tax exemption. Eligible organizations can enjoy tax-exempt purchasing on qualifying items. Business analytics. Access to data and insights on purchasing patterns and spending behavior. Ordering process. Once registered, businesses can browse products, add them to their cart, and proceed to checkout. They can select payment options, including purchasing on credit with Amazon Business Prime American Express card, and choose shipping preferences. Delivery and support. Amazon Business offers fast and reliable shipping options, including free 2-day shipping on eligible items with Business Prime. Additionally, businesses have access to customer support for any inquiries or assistance needed. Conclusion. In conclusion, Amazon Business provides businesses with a convenient and efficient way to procure goods and services, offering a wide selection of products, competitive pricing, and tailored features to streamline the purchasing process.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.